not a cloud in the sky on our last day here in Floripa, and I think Ivana and I are ending our 2 weeks in paradise in style. We are about to have a barbecue on a boat. What could be better than that? Right here in the lagoon. Everywhere I look, literally 360 degrees of good vibes. But first things first, we just had this boat out in the ocean, and what a blast it was. We were jumping in the water. We were getting our vitamin C, as in vitamin SEA, from the water. We were also getting our vitamin C from the cachaça in the caipirinha.
Yay! From the captain. Thank you, Saudi.
Saúde.
Saudi. Saudi.
Making friends with our new friend here named Diego. He's invited us on this fantastic Floripa Boat Experience. Lots more information in the description and in the comments. What a memory we are having today. So after the ocean, we came down the canal, nice and slow, and I just love that canal. It's so photogenic, it's so relaxing, and I love the idea that when you're on a boat, you're sort of naturally waving at the people you pass. The other boaters, the jet skiers, the swimmers, the people on the shore, everyone's just waving. It's just smiles all around and good vibes. Sort of the same thing when you're on a hike and you see another hiker. It's like, hey, we have the same hobby. Let's wave to each other. We just sort of send unaimed positivity at each other. And now we are here on the lagoon, really loving it. Tons of jet skiers around, having a good time. Kite surfers and windsurfers and fishermen and everyone just out here enjoying the beautiful weather here in Floripa. What's funny is our very first day in Floripa, we saw the highliners, the slackliners. I'm sure you guys remember that video. Was really, really memorable. And here on our last day, we're doing more of the same, making friends and doing awesome, incredible things, enjoying the weather. Absolutely cannot wait. But first things first, let's go check out the barbecue because I'm hungry and I am ready to enjoy some Brazilian barbecue on a boat. Getting our vitamin B, I guess I should say. Brazilian barbecue on a boat. All right, let's go.
That's safe.
Steve, you have to try this. It's the palm heart.
Is this a pre-barbecue appetizer?
Yeah, pre-barbecue. Try.
Oh, it's soft. Okay, so palm heart. My understanding is it's the center of a palm tree.
Right?
I thought it would be hard. Is it pickled? Vinegar. It's sort of sour.
Vinegar? No.
No,
No vinegar.
no, it is natural.
Natural.
Naturally sour?
Yes.
Ah.
It is sour, but we put a little bit of olive oil. Okay, that is not
Wait.
sour.
I'm very surprised. I usually don't like things with the word heart involved. Really good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Sour
Tastes like it's pickled.
and mushy, no?
Mm-hmm. But has a wet crunch, a soft crunch,
Okay.
like water
Nice.
chestnut.
All right. So we're having some caipirinha and snacks before we have the barbecue.
And introducing our new friend Diego.
Yeah. Diego
Nice to meet you.
and Giovanna.
Hello.
That was really surprising.
Good.
I would say 5 stars. I'll have one more. Quite nice. Palm heart. First time I had a heart that wasn't animal related. Vegetable heart. Or tree heart. Very nice. Okay, next step, barbecue. The food comes to you, right? I didn't realize. My girlfriend's part dolphin. Don't take the whole plate. Oh my gosh. She stole the barbecue. The barbecue floated away.
Jump! Jump, jump! Yes! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Alright, so we finally got Ivana out of the water to actually enjoy the proper Brazilian barbecue on a boat. We're having a bit of a debate. We've got the ladies' cutting board here, where the beef is burnt to a crisp. And then we've got the men's cutting board where the meat is very flavorful.
It's more pink.
More pink and just more better, really. So let's eat. And so obviously the girls have no taste, because I feel like well done beef on a barbecue is distinctly anti-Brazilian, although I could be wrong. Although Ivana does like me, so she must have some taste. But anyway, my point is this: whether you're looking to spend more time in the ocean, or maybe more time in the lagoon, or maybe doing some sightseeing through the canal, whatever you're into, the Floripa Boat Experience can customize itself to your needs, similar to the beef. And so for Ivana and I, we preferred to just put the anchor down and swim in the lagoon and enjoy beef and talk to the locals, Diego and his family, because super interesting people. We had such a great time today. Amazing to think that Diego's father built this whole boat himself. Because when you think of a boat built by hand, you don't think of a boat with a kitchen and a bathroom. So really incredible guy, really incredible family, and Diego would love to take you guys around. So please check the description and the comments for the link to the Floripa Boat Experience. Ivana and I both absolutely loved it. 5-star experience. And now I think we'll go to Barra da Lagoa and we'll check out some of the nightlife as we have dinner, because every Saturday there's a pretty special show going on, so it should be quite nice to sit and enjoy and really feel the vibe on our last day in Baja. There you have it, guys. All right, let's go.
É que eu não tinha identificado, mas tá muito bom.
I'm telling you guys, Barra da Lagoa is the place to be in Brazil, without exaggeration, from start to finish, because today is our last day. So we finish on a bang in the Lagoa, and we are back in a place exactly where we started. You guys remember the squid and lula fry after meeting Andres on the High Line. Annie Bo makes an appearance.
Chegou na hora certa. Caralho, velho, se fosse combinado, tu não chegava tão certo.
Great last day here. We're with
Amazing
our
last
friends.
day. Annie Bo is the owner of the hostel we stayed, where it all started, literally. So perfect timing. We just got a crash course on how to make farofa. What better way than to end Barra da Lagoa than to learn how to make my favorite food?
Farofa, and we're having a special dish, moqueca con farofa. Really nice.
Really nice food. Absolutely 5-star food, and honestly, Barra da Lagoa and Floripa, 6-star place, must visit. Came for 1 week, we ended up staying for 2 weeks.
That's true.
We could easily stay for 2 months. So I think we'll extend our visa in Brazil. Anyway, next up
Amazing
is
day
Rio
from-
de Janeiro coming
yeah.
soon.
We had
So-
an amazing last day here, from the boat trip to our nice dinner.
Yo, such good farofa. And I'm told the farinha de something is a little bit too fine. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next vlog.
E essa montanha, ninguém. É da Pelo amor de Deus, né? Tem que servir já um bocado. Não, ela